These are some of the products that internet influenced me to buy. I know that you all love these kind of videos when I make because I've seen so much love on these videos. So let's quickly get started. The first product I have is a sunscreen, a body sunscreen, and this is by the brand Vaseline, and this is something it looks like. Now I have all the three variant of Vaseline and I love all of them. So I thought why not get this one which is being talked about so much because this has SPF 50 with a PA+++, and they also say that it is gentle on the skin, it absorbs very quickly. So I bought this the other day and I am going to try it out with you. So let's take some amount of the Vaseline on my hand, and this is something it looks like. Now I'm going to quickly blend this and see. We do it together, by the way. Can you see that? It's gone. Okay, it's gone and it actually makes the skin feel cooler, and there is a fragrance to it which is very mild and it is really good. It is not very heavy, it's not very strong, it's very good, and I really like this product. There was a lot of hype about this product, by the way, but I really had hopes because there were like genuine creators talking about it, so I really had to get my hands in this. So this one is like a big thumbs up from me. The next product I have, again by Vaseline, I really have to talk about this product. This is their Gluta-Hya Overnight Radiant Serum Pin Lotion, and this is something it looks like. Now, this one I've already tried. If you see, I had like emptied half the tube of it. I've been using this for a while now, and this is again very gentle on the skin. It is gel like and it absorbs in your skin very beautifully, and this is something it looks like on my skin. It's really good. This is something that you can apply at night because it has Glutaglow Hyaluron Aminopeptidin Complex, and it says that it is 10x more powerful than vitamin C, which I completely agree to, and it is fabulous. So this is again a thumbs up from me. The next product I have is by the brand Verified. Now this is by a content creator. Her name is Anam. I would assume that you would already know her. So this is something the product looks like. I'm just going to open it and show it to you. So it comes with this mirror right here, and then it comes with like a buff, and this is a transparent, powder, like a white color powder, which is really amazing. By the way, this is like my third compact from them. I have brought this like recently. I've already used and completed uh, the previous two. So I'm just going to show it to you. It's any which ways a hit because I bought this like 2 times, but I'm going to show it to you because this is being talked about in the internet a lot because it says and it claims that it gives you like airbrush finish and it can be worn with and without makeup. So that's fabulous because in summers you really don't want to put a lot of heavy makeup on your face, and yet you want to have like a nice glow to your skin. So this really helps. So let's put this together. Honestly, I don't have a mirror with me right now, but I think I can use this, right? It honestly immediately controls the oil that is there because I have oily skin type. This side of my face tends to get super oily. So yeah, it really helps to control the oil, and even if you apply makeup and you kind of sweat, this is like a quick fix. So I really like this. And by the way, I've not worn any makeup. It's just skincare. It's just skincare. So just for information, I think it's pretty much it. I actually use this product so that it controls my oil because I tend to give a lot of oil because the combination skin type. So yes, it's a big thumbs up from me. Next up is by the brand Wishcare. I've spoken a lot about this product, but this product have been on the internet so much. This is by the brand Wishcare, and this is their tinted lip balm. Okay, now I know there's a lot of tinted lip balm in the market, but this comes with an SPF 50 with a PA+++, and it has kojic acid in it, which basically means that it is going to help you with the pigmentation and the darkness that is there on your lips. Now my lips right here is without anything, so I'm going to apply this, and this is something it looks like loose up. So let's apply this. It gives like a subtle color to your lips. It's like your lips but better kind of a look, but I really like it. So yes, again, this a big thumbs up from my end. So the next product I have is by the brand Cosrx. Now you know that everybody is talking about this brand because it's a Korean brand. There was so much hype about the snail mucin that they had launched. So I got my hands on this one right here, which is their BHA blackhead powder liquid. So if you see, I've already used this much of the product, but it didn't work for me, to be very honest. So this cleans, that this liquid helps to remove oil and deeply cleanse while moisturizing the skin to make the pores appear smaller. Honestly, it did not do anything in terms of blackhead and in terms of the pores. It it was a waste, to be very honest. I did not like this product at all. So I think it's a big thumbs down. I did not enjoy using this product. I've just used this much. I don't think I'm gonna go ahead. This was pretty much expensive. So but it didn't work. So I don't think I'll be continuing with this. So yeah, I do not like this product. To be very honest. So the next product I have is by Claire's, and this is their vitamin C serum. This is something it looks like. If you are someone who has hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, or darkness on your skin, this product is a gem. It is very beautiful and effective, because I have seen result using this product in just 2 weeks, and it is mind blowing. It shows up, it instantly makes your skin so much brighter and glowy, and it also helps you with pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. But the problem is with the packaging right here. Now I'm going to show you something, okay? Now if you see, can you see the color? I don't know if you can see the color of this product, but I'm just going to come close up and show it to you. Can you see the color? Now this is oxidized, which means when it came to me, it was transparent in color. Now what happens is, because this packaging is not great, you have to store this in dark and cool space. If you don't do it, then it is going to oxidize, and if it oxidizes, then it is not going to work on your skin. I had actually used this much, and post that it got oxidized. This is really expensive. I think it's about 1600 to 1700 rupees, but it is worth every penny. But the only reason that I did not repurchase this product is because of the packaging, because it's really expensive, yet it is super effective. So I was so dicey, but I think I'm gonna get my hands on it again and just keep it in a cool and dark space, because it does the job. But Claire's, if you're hearing me out, please work on the packaging, because this product is really beautiful. So I'm skeptical right now, but in terms of effectiveness, I think it's a thumbs up, because a vitamin C showing effect in less than 2 weeks, I think it's truly amazing. So the next product I have is like a combo. So let's talk about the first one. Now this is by the brand Plump, and this is their vanilla caramello body wash. Now this is good. When I apply this, I actually get the, the fragrance of a caramel, like a popcorn kind of a thing. I do get it, but it doesn't stay like throughout. It would stay for about 2 hours in that set. So it's a good body wash though, but it doesn't do anything, like it doesn't what do I say? It doesn't help you with hyperpigmentation or pigmentation or strawberry skin, nothing. It just cleans your skin. So that's pretty much that it does. So it's a good body wash. But if you want that smell to be there on your skin, you can, layer it with this one right here. Now this is their Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. And this is something it looks like. Now, when you pair both of these together, then probably it would last for about 4 hours, but do not expect it to last for at 8 hours. I've tried and tested it out. So it's on you. I'm just giving you like my verdict. If you just apply this, it's just going to stay for about 2 hours or less. So when you apply like a body wash and apply the same variant of body lotion, it tends to merge and stay on your skin for a longer time. So it would stay for about 4 hours. Post that I've not seen it to be there on my skin. So will I repurchase it? No, but if you want to give it a try, you can. So that's something that I would like to say. So the next product I want to talk about, this right here. I've spoken about this product so much, but this is my second tub. I mean, I so like this product. Me being a girl who never believed in hair mask and hair conditioner has bought like another tub of hair mask. is a little crazy. So this is by the brand Love Beauty and Planet. It is the argan oil and lavender variant. This actually helps. Like, why am I even fumbling? So this actually helps to smooth your hair, to help you with that frizziness. It really makes your hair super soft. So I really like it. This is like a new tub that I've bought. I've already spoken so much about this product, but I really wanted to show you that I genuinely get my hands on things that I love, what I recommend. And this is like bought by my own money. And when I truly love a product, I definitely get it. So yeah, you would also see this product in my empties very soon. If you're someone who has frizzy hair, then please get your hands in this, because this is very good. So it's a big thumbs up. You've got two more products to go. So the next one I have is a blush. Now this is by KPT. So I'm someone who just likes to apply my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and then I'll just apply my blush, and that's about it. I don't like to go layering foundation or tint, especially in summer. So this is something that has been very beautiful. Now this is a product. It's like almost done. Okay, I have to get my hands on it. Now this is a very nude peachy pink tint. This is in a variant Sweetheart, and it's very good. So this is something it looks like. I hope you can see that. I'm just going to blend it. I'm just going to get it a little closer. Can you see that? It really looks very natural on the skin. I'm just thinking, should I apply it on my face and show it to you? Let's do it. I'm just gonna go upwards. It's gonna take literally, I'm just gonna go upwards. I like to like use it like where you actually apply your highlighter. I kind of like it, the blush to be there. It's very mild. You can actually build it up, but I really like it to be, subtle, and I'm not sure. I can't even see myself. I'm just gonna take a mirror and just look at myself and see. Yeah, it does show. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, it's I don't like to put it on my cheeks, to be very honest. I'm just gonna take a little bit more and just apply it here. And yeah, that's about it. A little on my nose and a little on my chin. That's a So yes, what are you waiting for? If you are someone who are into blushes and like it, without a doubt, just go with this one. This is something that you must have in your makeup kit. So the last product I have is by Tony Moly, and this is something it looks like. Now I bought this product in November last year, and just look at how much I've used. Like, I've used it, but it is still in here. I think it's going to go the entire year this year, I believe. It's such a good product. It actually helps to smooth your skin. It is very light. It actually says that it nourishes and moisturizes your skin like a mochi like skin. So yeah, it does nourish and moisturize your skin. So if you're someone who's looking for a toner, a milky texture, you can actually go with this one, because this good and it's like a big thumbs up. And with that, let's end today's video. I really hope you like this video. If you have anything in your mind, you can put that in the comment section below. I would love to hear your views. And yes, with that, bye bye. Love.